Hello local guides. I'm using an Android device for this video, and it is better to edit maps using mobile phones and make sure you have an updated maps version. Your safety is our priority in this campaign, and please do not step out if your area is not safer to move around. And if you have any kind of work or for this campaign, kindly wear mask and hand gloves no matter for what kind of work you are stepping out. While joining this campaign, please bear in mind that quality is more important than quantity. And this video is for those local guys who are taking part in the Unity Walk campaign. This campaign is to help local businesses in rebuilding, refocusing, and renewing their businesses listings on Google Maps. Before starting the video, let me mention few points here. Earlier it was a normal map editing walk meetup like we were hosting prior to this lockdown situation and were expecting unlock till 21 June. As of now, the situation has been changed and the government implementing lockdown in a few major cities in our nation. And here are few tips for those who cannot step out due to lockdown emergency or personal reasons, like if your city is getting locked down again or any kind of reason. So here are a few tips for you. You can only reopen non-businesses where you are or were visiting regularly and they are in service now, like chemists and grocery shops. You can use check the facts section and uncovering missing information of your local businesses like phone numbers and websites and much more. Also, feel free to answer the question on any businesses on maps. And in the last, I would say you can also answer questions from maps team sites, and both of these types of questions can be found in notification section based on a timeline, and I'll be showing all these things in this video. So let's move on to those local guys who will be contributing after stepping out. And please let me mention again that if your area is safer to move around, then step out and wear mask and gloves. So here are all the steps a local guide can take while he is moving around in his local area or here in her local area. They can add a new business, edit businesses like opening details and other details you can edit roads and add a new road to the maps, check the facts, uncover missing information like phone number and website. It is quite similar to the listing edition section. And answer to the question on a listing and answer to the questions from the maps team like accessibility and much more. So I'll be starting from adding new businesses on Google Maps. So here I am, and I don't think there is any new business nearby, but I will show you how to add a business or listing or POI in Google Maps. When I am saying that adding a business or listing or POI, then all are quite same. So let's try adding a business or listing. I dropped a pin here. And I'll be drawing since I changed a business here. I'll be going back and choosing here. Yes, I just dropped up in here and adding a missing place from here. Here you need to add a name for the business you are trying to add. I'm gonna name it Amrit Dhaba. I'm sorry, again I'm saying it is Amrit Dhaba. I'm gonna add Amrit Restaurant, and yes, it's a category restaurant, and the address is automatically taken by drop pin. If the place is located within another place, then you can choose it from here, and mostly it is applicable in case of lots of shops or mall. So I'm gonna leave it here. You can add hours from here, a contact number from here, a website for the business, and an opening date, and if possible you can also add a photo from here. So after filling out all these details, you can tap this arrow button and submit all the details. If you're not adding a photo, then it will ask you to add a photo if possible. So let's move back and see how you can edit a place. um, okay, this time I'm gonna choose this one and drag it up and choosing suggest and edit, change the name. You probably will be adding those places you are aware of that in your area, and if there is any kind of details is missing. So if the name is wrong, then correct the name, correct the category, and correct the address from here, or contact number and website. And if you are the owner of the listing, then you can choose this option from here, and it will ask you to verify the business. You can also add an opening date from here. It's quite similar to the things that we were looking in case of adding a new business. So let's get back and see how you guys can reopen a local place. um, I think I have already added this, and I'm gonna edit this one this time. It is a grocery shop. Yeah, I seen someone added it mistakenly. So I'm gonna suggest an edit. It is open nowadays. Reopen this place, and a pop-up window will come out, and you need to tap on reopen. That's it. There you go. So let's go back. And the next thing is that how to add a road and how to edit a road on Google Maps. So this is the road I'm going to choose because the name of this road is not correct. And report a problem. Wrong road name. And I'm going to choose Tyagi Samaj Road, complete road. And I'm going to edit the road name. Then I'm tapping here and typing it Akbar AKBR. Yes, this is the actual name of this road, and it seems my edit goes live now. And you need to enter all the possible details you can. If there is any signboard, then upload it to Google Drive and share a photo link here in the section, and you can add much more details here. So I'm not gonna change these details here right now. I'll be doing it later. Let's tap back. It's car. Yes. And let's see how to add a missing road. Yes, this is the village called Match, and we're gonna add a new road here. So let's type here. Report a problem. Road is missing, and let's create a road, add a point here, and add a point here, again add a point here, at a point here. So I'll be leaving at the main chalk of this village, and here it is. So press next, tapping road name, NH, road type is local road, and you can add more details here like how it is connecting to main road and many more things you can add here. So this is how you can add a missing road by drawing lines and adding road name. Now let's get back and see how to check the facts in Google Maps application. So to do that, click on contribute, and check the facts section is now moved to this section. Let's tap on here, drag down, and these yellow circles are the available facts for checking, and you can choose between how you want to contribute. If you want to verify phone numbers, then tap on phone. Want to verify website, want to verify category, want to verify existence, and there is another option called name. It's not available here, so let me zoom out and make it available. And yeah, there you go, here's an name. So I don't know about many phone numbers, so I'm gonna choose name, existence, category, and odds, and these are the available options for checking facts. So the nearby options are I'm gonna choose is this one, and yes, this place is still exists, so I'm gonna tap yes, and it will show lots of available option. If you are not sure about, then tap on not sure. And this is how you can check the facts in Google Maps application. And the next one is uncovering missing information of local businesses. Uncover missing info, zoom back, and yes, let's tap on here, and these are the options you can add. And this section is quite similar to editing a business or listing or POI in Google Map. So if you know the hours of this place, then do add here. If you have any photo for this place, then add it here. And you can also answer questions for this place. So let's see. Yes, I know about this place. So there is no wheelchair accessible left, so I'm gonna tap on this cross button, and yes, I just pressed it. And if you know a phone number, then add it here. If you have a website, then add it here. So that's it for uncovering missing information on Google Maps. And you can also choose between these places, these options also. Like if you want to verify accessibility details, tap on here. For conscious, child friendly, for night out, quick bite, phone, website hours, photo upload. These are the available options here. And you can also choose what kind of business you want to verify. So that's it for uncovering missing information. And the next is answer to the questions asked by maps user or any local guide. So I have chosen some place for this. I'll see. I'm sorry. So yes, there you go. There is an question, and I'm not sure this is a question. So Here local guides or map users can ask question, and you guys can also ask question here like this is a question asking section, and you can answer question from here. And after answering question, you need to tap on this arrow here. Let's go back. Okay, and the last two things we are and the last one thing we're missing is the questions from maths team, and let's see if those are available on this listing, and we'll be reopening this place as it is open now. So let's see for the first how and what kind of questions are available from maths team. I would say yes. I say no. Is there a wheelchair accessible entrance? And I would say no. And I just finished those questions from maps team, and we will send your contribution. Tap back, and again we will see how to reopen a business, and a pop-up window will come out, and there you go. I just reopen a business again. So that's it for this video, and thank you very much for watching. Have a great meetup.